I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2015 Toyota Camry XLE 2.5 liter automatic hybrid. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light. So first I'm going to be turning on the ignition 2 clicks. Now with this trip button, I'm going to be setting it to trip A. Okay, so now I'm going to be turning off the ignition. So now I'm going to be holding the trip button, and at the same time I'm going to be hitting the ignition button 2 times. You're good to go. Make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.